Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corley and today we're doing a makeup tutorial. So I have my eyelids already primed, and for today's look we're going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, which I just got. I'm literally so excited. You guys know I wanted this for so long and now I finally have it. To start out this eye makeup, I'm going to take this light neon green shade and I'm going to use it as a transition shade for my eyes by using a very big fluffy brush and fluffing it all over my eye. Being 100% honest with you guys, I did have to build this up, so I went in a few more times, but it's a neon shade and at least it's not the type of shadow that if you go in with too much and then it just messes up your whole look. So you do have to build up this shadow. To deepen up the eye look, we're going to take a dark forest kind of a green. That's the only way I can describe it. And we're going to pack it on the outer corner and run it through our crease all the way up into the inner corner because we're going to do a half cut crease. And, you know, just deepening normal green eyeshadow look, everyday wear. Keep in mind that if you want your look to be super blended, always go in with a big fluffy brush every few steps to just blend in the colors together and, you know, keep that seamless blend that you want. To deepen up the eye the tiniest bit, you guys, I'm going to take the black shade as well as the deep forest green we used previously, and I'm going to pack it on the very outer corner of the eye. We're not going to run this too much into the crease, we're just going to run the remaining. I mean, we're not going to add more, that's what I mean. To carve out my half cut crease, I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just going to create a half cut crease, you guys, so it stops in the middle of the eye. You can see I'm creating it right now, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with a little bigger brush. Before I add the shimmer shade on the lid, I'm just going to take the two crease shades we used and pack it on the outer corner of the concealer just to blend it a little more with the eye look in general. For the lid color, we're going to take this super pretty shimmery lime green and we're going to pack it all over the concealer we put. This shade is so pretty. It's so lime green and vibrant and vivid, so it's really going to light up the whole eye. I'm gonna take lash glue and my lashes and I'll just put them on. So as you guys can see, poof, lashes on. For primer, we're gonna take the Benefit Professional Primer. We're just gonna put it all over the areas where we have big pores, so nose, forehead, chin, you know the drill. For foundation, I'll be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Golden. I'm just going to stripe it all over my face and I'm going to use a simple Glam Girls oval brush to blend in my foundation. By the way, you can use my code COCOBEAUTY for 20% off Simple Glam Girls, the whole website. I'll have it in the description box below. I am also taking this smaller brush from Simple Glam Girls as well to really get around the hard edges, which is my nose and around my eyebrows. To conceal my face in general, I'll be taking my Girl PRO Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. However, to conceal the very underneath of my eyes, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. Especially underneath my eyes, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend out the concealer. Why I use a beauty blender? Simply because it's tapping motion, so I'm not dragging the skin and getting premature wrinkles. Taking my NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder, I'm just going to set my under eyes and the high points of my face. To lightly set all over my face, I'll be taking my Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Face Powder in the shade 50 Natural Beige. I'm just gonna lightly graze it over my skin, and it's to add a little bit of color back to the face and just set the remaining areas we didn't set with the translucent powder. For my lower lash line, I'm taking the two main green crease shades we used, and I'm just gonna drag them underneath my lower lash line. I'm also going to use a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. And for blush, I'll be taking the Tarte blush in the birthday set that Sephora gave me. I'll list the color in the description bar below. For highlighter, I'm not going to show it to you, but I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade 100 Molten Gold. It's super pretty. I love it so much. You guys know, so I'm just going to apply it all over the high points of my face, my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, chin, and forehead. Because the eyes were so dramatic, I decided that I was going to do a very underrated lip. So I basically only put the NYX Sandstorm Liquid Suede in the middle of my lips. I blended it out with my fingers. Then I went in with the Maybelline Baby Lips Gloss, I believe, in the shade Life's a Peach, but you can just use a clear gloss, and I just feel like it complements the eye look very well. It doesn't overpower anything. This, guys, concludes my makeup tutorial, my green half cut crease. I love it so much. I hope you guys did. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like. Also, comment down below other video suggestions, things you'd like to see me do. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I have every link in the description bar below. And if you like me, my personality, or the content I put up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to my channel, you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for watching this video again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.